In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to move your voice memos from your iPhone to your Google Drive on any iPhone. I mean your all voice recordings. Let's see that. Just open the voice memos app and just click edit and select the voice memo you want to move. Let's select this file, and at the bottom you can see the share button. Just click that. Then if you installed the Google Drive on your iPhone, you will see here. If you didn't see here, just move like this and click the three dots, and here you can find the Google Drive app. You just need to click the Google Drive. Then here select your email, and here you can select the drive. Then just tap upload. That's it. Now your selected voice memos will be moved to Google Drive from iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps me, leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.